another time, forgotten space. Your eyes look.
Yo, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another bloody side quest episode. Today's action-packed with a bunch of snowboarding dogs, bunch of random shit too. We've got heaps of sick new videos coming up, so make sure keep your eyes peeled to the screen, keep looking at what's happening, and keep the motion going. Let's go! Yeah, baby! Enjoy the video. You ready?
Yeah, it's on.
To the thing. There's too much confusion.
Paradise way. On the crest of the river he has no pain. Like a child, she's pure, she is not to blame. Horse for pride, wings spread wide. They come to the sun. Won't stop to run. Fly like a lie, she can't be outdone. Tell me the cause. I can pay it, let me go. Tell me love is my boss. Tell everything. I love day to day insanity. Crippled but free. I was blind all the time. I was learning to see.
This cannot go in the vlog.
This is the kind of shit that happens when you go on tour. It only happens on tour. These kind of activities, not for the kids.
Not for the kids.
Not for the kids.
Got a Chromecast and a TV.
What is happening here? Jesus.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to the vlog on you guys later.
Another time, forgotten space. Your eyes looked from your mother's face. I thought I'd see the innocent again. May the far wind roll you home again. Roll away the dew. Roll away the dew. Roll away the dew.
Bored right now. Look at that! Look at that, bro. I got fucking 3 centis in my snowboard, bro. You know, down at the mountain, the last thing you really want is your gear to be fucked up. You know how fucked up is fucked up? That's fucked up. That's fucked up. Well, 1 season, 2 board snaps. You know what? We're great.
Franklin saw the hand. It can rain, turn night to day. Gonna ring like fire if you lose your way. Oh, roll away.